So this question is maximum swap. So you are given the integer num. So you want to swap 2 digits at once. So to get a maximum number. So this question is pretty tricky. So think about it. So if 6, 8, 8, 1, 2, 8, something like this. How do you get a maximum value for this one? So it's gonna be what? 8, 8, 8, 1, 2, 6, right? And then you want to make sure uh, you don't want to swap this with this, right? So if you swap this with this, you will get 8, 6, 8, 1, 2, 8. This is not maximum, right? So the idea is you want to get the digit, uh, you want to get a last occurrence digit index. So this is going to be okay. This is index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for digit A, the last occurrence is index 5. The digit 1, the last occurrence is index 3. So imagine there's an array that stores a bucket. The last occurrence for digit 2 is index 4. Digit 6 is index 0. And then this 1 and 2 get override by this guy, by index 5. So once you have the in array that last occurrence in array ready, then you traverse this, and then basically you swap. So for example, you're going to swap the the last the last occurrence array between the two maximum value. So for this 0 and 5, you swap. So let me stop recording and you will get it. So you give me the integer array, right? And then the easy way to do it is want to convert to the char array. So I'm going to say chars and the integer dot to string num dot to char array. And then you will have a bucket, new int 10. You only have, the digits from 0 to 9, right? And then you will definitely need to traverse this, right? Chars array. And then every single time, so this will become what? You traverse index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3, and then you keep traversing. So you want to also keep updating your bucket. So bucket is going to be based on the value. So char say I minus 0 char is equal to I. So you are keep updating your index in the bucket array. So this is the last occurrence in array, right? All right, once we have it, so we going to traverse the chars array again. All right, here is it. So we traverse from the beginning, right? And then we want to swap with the integer which has the maximum digit in the bucket, right? So the easy way to do it, we're not going to traverse in j equal to 0. J less than bucket dot length j plus plus. We are not going to do this because you are not swapping the maximum. This is one index that point at the beginning, and then you want to have another index that point at the end, right? So how do we know it's a maximum that we going to point? It's going to be from j equal to 9 all the way to, let me remove this, all the way to j greater than or equal to char say I minus 0, and then j minus minus. So in this way, I'm going to get the maximum right away. So definitely, like the default value, if there's no value inside the bucket array, its default value is 0. So definitely we need to make sure if the bucket at j is greater than I. So this is how you compare the index. So this is index, right? Index when you have index 0 for I, and this is also an index that I already updated in the bucket array, right? If the bucket value is 0, then this is not going to get into it, right? So once we have it, then we already know there are 2 pointers, 1 point at the smallest one, 1 point at the largest one. Then we just do the swap. So Charles I, and then the Charles I equal to Charles at bucket at J. And then bucket at J will becomes the temp, right? So wait, there's a different color. Something wrong? Anyway, I'm just return integer value of new string, the Charles array, right? So once you go into here, like you only need to swap once, right, to get a maximum. So if finish your traversal and you don't have any value, then you just return none. So what happened here? Charles I equal to wait, this is fun. Oh, it's not fun. Integer the value string. Something wrong with the. I'm gonna copy paste. Oh no, this is bucket. Oh yeah, so yeah, I was making a typo here, definitely. And then submit. So that will be it. And so time and space, this is space, all of n. And this is time, all of n. This is time, all of n. This is all of 10, maximum for worst case. So all of n times constant is going to be all of n, right? So this will be the solution. So let me know if you have a question. See you.